PRJ. So now we're going to play Subway Surfers because we already had a meeting. But that's just when I played like a few minutes ago. So yeah, I'll check. My score is 3,945 and that's my high score is 1 million points. I'm so good. This is my favourite game on my iPad and let's see who's at the first. What? 6 million points. Well, wow, just wow. We need to beat this, guys. Well, I think I can do that, but yeah, let's beat this. So, alright, you can see I'm already, really good. I'm really good ahead. So, yeah, next time I play this game is next video. Alright, guys. Look at that baby. Look how stupid he is. Like, alright. Oh my god. Oh my. Did you see that? Couldn't rotate because I was like looking elsewhere. But yep, pretty much impressed already. So now we got 200,000. Yep, need to beat this guy. Yep, we got him. So, oh, look at this. Isn't this like, alright, we'll fail there. So we're trying to get 6 million points to be. So yeah. I like doing that, guys. You know, yeah, it's pretty fun doing that thing. But yeah, you can see, guys, I'm trying to skate on the hoverboard. It's not even snowing on the trails, but yeah. You skate when it's snowing. If you get your skateboard. Yeah, that's what I mean. But alright, we got 600,000. And now we need to like do this. Well, so yeah, you can see, guys. I'll see you when I get Alright, guys, so I paused the video. I did 700,000 just to get better. I'm on silver. So now I need to beat Christian, but I actually changed my mind. Don't beat this score, but we'll beat it next time.